And that's the only reason I knew where you were.
Not again.
Hello?
Hello. Alright, Tom.
Let this go. My strat for this is just go and wait at the gate for either someone to walk through it,
Yeah, that's pretty
or
good
it's just
strat.
open. It's so great, because you just get to sit and do nothing.
There's a gun.
The room.
Huzzah.
Huzzah, we can escape.
Let's go.
I have a checkpoint zone manager's card. Oh, you have a gun as well, nice.
Yeah.
So what are we doing if we find the scientist?
That's a good question. Over here.
Do we just fucking blast him? Oh. RNG's on our side.
Attention, all personnel.
Oh shit.
The light containment
Oh shit, they're coming!
Oh shit!
No. 15 minutes. All biological substances must be removed in order to avoid destruction.
Bruh. 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 Bruh.
I'm sorry! I
Bruh.
don't speak!
Bruh.
What the fuck was that?
Find out about the blind fucker. Go, come on.
Blind as fuck. Just
Fuck,
fucking
fuck,
blind as
stop.
fuck.
They came from over here then. Here it is, here it is. Over here. Hold on. Let's make a slight detour.
We don't have a black keycard, but sure.
Oh yeah, we don't, do we?
It's fine, it's fine.
It's fine.
You never know what the scientist might be doing in his spare time.
There's a key, yeah, there's a cadet key card. I mean, a cat.
Alright.
No.
And before we get encamped at the top of the elevator and die.
I'm ready. I've got a gun, don't worry. Watch it.
Sashin! Right, let's go. Maybe we can find like one of those rooms.
Niggers! Niggers!
Like this one. That's got nothing in it.
No, they're taking all the
There's
shit.
literally nothing here. Well, the gate A is behind us. So, you know. Here's the intercom room. Can't access that. So what do you want to do then? Do you want to just camp one of the gates? Like gate B?
Yeah, I mean, we
Let's
don't have
wait
much
here.
of a choice.
Yeah? Just wait around here. Let's go and wait across here, because then we can hear them if they come out.
Exactly.
But they won't know a thing. And why would they check this? It's just a dead end, right?
Exactly.
Niggers!
So what now?
I don't know. I didn't have a plan. We could try and hunt down the guards, in case they have a high level.
They're in heavy though.
Yeah?
That's where the big dog's gonna be.
Maybe the big dog's already killed them all.
Maybe the big dog's coming to hunt us.
He's not gonna find us.
I don't know, mate. It's your call. You got the gun.
Right, new round started. We have to go now.
Oh yeah, round 3. Don't worry, I'll just run around. So that's the shelter. So here, take this. You take that, just in case, because you got the gun.
Alright. Hang on,
I
I have
have a
another key
janet.
card that can open checkpoints.
Oh, alright. That doesn't matter
So
then.
you take that.
Alright. Well, doesn't like anyone's here. Maybe we should just wait here.
Oh,
Yeah?
Now, Tom, I believe I have a plan.
Oh.
Niggers! 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 Niggers!
Shit out of me.